Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this Roman braid inspired updo. Start off by teasing the hair on top. Gently backcomb the hair to get volume and to create the puffiness you need for this look. Once you've done that, use your fingers to smooth the hair back in place. Take two small sections of hair from both sides and cross those over each other. Take a new section of hair from the side and cross this over the hair to the other side. Hold the hair in place using the other hand while taking a new section from the other side, crossing it again over to the other side. So what you're actually doing is crisscrossing hair sections over each other. Keep doing this until you crisscross all the hair over each other, and with this you created a fishtail braid. Once you tied the end with a clear hair elastic, it's time to place your favorite hair accessory. Now gently pull the braid apart to make it bigger and fuller. Hold the strand with one hand while pulling the braid up with the other hand until it reaches the top. Take the end and hide it under the braid. Secure in place with a bobby pin. To make sure the updo lasts all day, use bobby pins to secure it gently in place. Spray a small amount of hairspray and your look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!